Okay, in order to achieve flawless makeup, you need to go through a few steps. Step 1 would be cleanse. Step 2 would be exfoliate. Step 3 would be tone. Step 4 would be serum. And step 5 would be moisturize. Step 6, sun protection. Step 7, prime. Now let's get into it. Hello. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're new here, I hope you like my vibe and maybe subscribe to my channel. So I recently did a video about AI and the impact on our wellness. And in that video, I went through my skincare routine. And some of you were curious about the steps of my skincare routine. So here's the video. And if you're a tech nerd or maybe just curious about the video, I could link it back down below. It's pretty interesting. Alright, so flawless makeup starts with skin prep. Here's how to do it. So the first step is cleanse. So we need to start by cleansing our face to remove any dirt, oil, and impurities. So you need to choose a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. So the best way to approach this, I would say, is to double cleanse. So with double cleansing, we use an oil-based cleanser and a water-based cleanser. Cleansing is an essential step before applying makeup. It creates a clean canvas by removing excess oil, sweat, and residual products, allowing your makeup to adhere better and last longer. Makeup applied to clean face also tends to look smoother and more natural. When your skin is clean, it can better absorb the active ingredients in your skincare products. Cleansing clears away the surface layer of dead skin cells and debris, allowing subsequent products like serums, moisturizers, and treatments to penetrate more effectively and deliver their benefits to the skin. It's very important to choose a cleanser suitable for your skin type and concerns. If you have dry skin, opt for a gentle, hydrating cleanser. For oily or acne-prone skin, look for a cleanser that helps control excess oil and is formulated to combat acne. Remember to cleanse your face twice a day, in the morning and evening, to keep your skin clean and healthy. Honestly, I usually don't cleanse my face in the morning. I usually just use micellar water because I have dry skin. But since today I want flawless makeup and I want to exfoliate afterwards, I choose to wash my face. And if you'd like a more in-depth information about how to cleanse your face, I actually have a video about it and it's actually really great information. I'll link it in my bio. So the second step would be to exfoliate. So I choose to chemical exfoliate. That is what I would recommend for anyone. Physical exfoliation is just too harsh for your skin. It actually creates micro tears on your skin, which can lead to early aging. You don't want that. So my exfoliation of choice is actually a Korean skincare product, and it's an all-day vitamin, nourishing and recharging wash-off face mask, which I actually really love. It's actually pretty gentle on my skin and it feels so good and refreshing after I wash my face. I don't feel dry or no tightness after I use this product, which is what I look for since I have such dry skin. So why do we exfoliate? Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and creates a smoother canvas for makeup application. Use a gentle exfoliating cleanser if you'd like, or a wash-off mask like me. Or you could also use a serum or a toner, I would say, to exfoliate your skin. Be careful not to over-exfoliate as it can cause irritation. I would say that limited exfoliation is 2 to 3 times per week. So the outermost layer of your skin consists of dead skin cells that accumulate over time, leading to dull and uneven complexion. Exfoliating helps to slough it off these dead cells, revealing fresh, radiant skin underneath. Also, it helps to achieve flawless makeup by smoothing out the skin's texture, by eliminating rough and uneven areas. Regular exfoliation can make your skin feel softer and look smoother. It also evens out the skin tone. Regular exfoliation can help fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone. By removing the top layer of dead skin cells, exfoliating promotes a more even distribution of pigment, resulting in more balanced complexion, which is very helpful to achieve that flawless makeup. As I mentioned before, Therefore, it is very important to note that exfoliating should be done in moderation and with care. Over-exfoliating or using harsh scrubs can cause irritation, redness, and damage to the skin. Choose a gentle exfoliator appropriate for your skin type and follow the recommendation usage guidelines. Generally, exfoliate 2 to 3 times per week. It is sufficient for most people, I promise you, but it may vary depending on your skin sensitivity and needs. And the third step is toning. So in order to have this flawless makeup and look smooth and glowy and youthful and radiant, I would opt for a more hydrating toner. Toner of choice today is this one from Peach and Lily, Glass Skin. It is very hydrating and also leaves a certain glow to your skin, which is perfect for flawless makeup. Then I follow up with another toner called Toriden. This toner is super hydrating. It's a Korean skincare product, and like I'm telling you, Korean skincare products are so hydrating, and I understand why Koreans have this glass skin, but this one helps you achieve that glass skin look. So why do we tone? Applying toner before makeup can help create a smooth and even base. It can minimize the appearance of fine lines, dry patches, and flakiness, allowing the foundation and other makeup products to glide on more smoothly and adhere better. It also shrinks the appearance of pores. Some toners contain ingredients that temporarily help tighten and shrink the appearance of enlarged pores. This can create a smoother looking complexion and provide a more even canvas for makeup application. Toner also provides hydration and refreshment. Many toners contain hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or botanical extracts that can replenish moisture and provide a refreshing sensation. This particularly is beneficial for individuals like me with dry or dehydrated skin. This also helps your makeup look flawless, like you would look glowy and healthy. Step 4. So my choice of serum today is from Cocokind. It is one of my favorite serums. It's a ceramide barrier serum. So why I chose this serum today is because we exfoliated earlier, and this serum helps support your skin barrier, which we need at this moment. So many different kind of serum which are supposed to help with your skin needs. At this moment we need hydration, which is why I picked this serum. So serums are lightweight, highly concentrated products that are designed to penetrate deep into the skin. They often contain active ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides that help hydrate and plump the skin. Properly hydrated skin provides a smooth canvas for makeup, allowing to go on more evenly and adhere better. Some serums are also specifically formulated to smooth the texture of the skin and refine its appearance. They can help minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and pores, making the skin look more even and smooth. By creating a smoother surface, serum can help makeup glide on effortlessly and create a more flawless finish. Serums can also provide a nourishing and moisturizing base for your makeup. When the skin is well hydrated and plumped, it helps prevent makeup from settling into the fine lines and creases throughout the day. Additionally, serums can create a thin barrier between the skin and makeup, helping to extend the wear time of your makeup and keep it looking fresh for longer. As we mentioned before, it's important to note that the specific benefits of serums may vary depending on the ingredients and formulation. Different serums target different skin concerns, so it's essential to choose one that aligns with your specific needs and skin type. I have a video where I have a more scientific approach about serums and I talk deeper about serums. If you're interested, I'll link it down below. And the fifth step is moisturize. So since it's morning time, my moisturizer of choice is this from Banish, and it's a vitamin C cream. I like to use vitamin C in the morning because it has so many benefits. If you want to know more, I have a video about it. So hydrated skin is crucial for a smooth makeup application. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it onto your face and neck. Allow it to fully absorb into the skin before proceeding with makeup. Applying moisturizer before makeup helps to create a smooth canvas for foundation and other products. It allows for easier and more even application, enhances the longevity of makeup and prevents it from clinging to dry patches. Moisturizers play a key role in strengthening the skin barrier's function. The skin barrier acts as a protective shield, preventing moisturizer loss and shielding the skin from external aggressors such as pollution and irritation. By reinforcing the skin barrier, moisturizers help to keep the skin resilient and less prone to damage. Also, keep in mind that well-hydrated skin tends to show fewer signs of aging. Moisturizers can help minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. They provide essential nutrients and antioxidants that promote a youthful complexion and help maintain the skin elasticity. So, since I have really dry skin, I want to go in with a facial oil, and this one is baobab oil. It's actually a virgin unrefined oil, so it's not a specific brand. So facial oils helps with hydration and nourishment. Facial oils are rich in emollients and moisturizing properties, which can deeply hydrate and nourish the skin. If your skin tends to be dry or dehydrated like mine, using a facial oil before applying makeup can help provide an extra layer of moisture. Hydrated skin is less likely to appear flaky or patchy, ensuring for a smoother canvas for makeup application. It also helps to create a natural glow. Many facial oils contain ingredients that impart a natural glow to the skin. They can add a subtle luminosity and radiance to your complexion, making your makeup look more vibrant and healthy. If you prefer a dewy or a radiant finish to your makeup, incorporating a facial oil can help achieve that desired effect. And the sixth step, which is a very important step, is sun protection and prime. So as you might have been able to tell throughout the video, my products are not focusing that very well at the moment. I think it's because of the lighting, but my SPF of choice today is Hamish, and it is an Artless Glow base, and it has SPF 50. And why I chose this is because it's also a primer at the same time, so it's great for makeup application. And this is also another Korean skincare product. I actually really love this primer slash SPF. It really glides onto my skin so seamlessly, and it also leave a nice glow, like it doesn't leave a white cast at all. So many moisturizers are formulated with added sun protection, and using a moisturizer with SPF will help protect your skin from harmful ultraviolets. And it is important to go for SPF 30 and above. Any SPF that is lower 30, it's actually useless. So let's review all the steps we have gone through. So first we started with cleansing, and I recommended with double cleansing, and then exfoliate, and then the third thing is to tone, and then serum, and then fifth is moisturizer, and then sun protection and prime. So if you got here, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you. And if the video was helpful, please leave me a thumbs up to let YouTube know that I'm doing a good job. And also, if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos, I create videos every week, so please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers this year, so please help support me. And until next time, bye.